Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today we are going to see what are modules in Python. So when coming to modules, a Python module is a file containing Python's definitions and statement. A module can contain functions, classes, variable or anything, any group of code which is under same category so that they are put all together in an organized manner so that we can use them whenever necessary. So this is a basic definition of a module. In simple terms, I can say if you go to a library, there are many books available, correct? So we can see each and every book as each and every module. So whenever a user or a customer needs a book, they will go and they will get the book and they will get the information available in the book. The same way here also, there are many modules available in Python so that whenever we need some module, we are going to get that module and we are going to use them in our programming. This is the basic definition I can say for a module. And yeah, moving forward, we will be seeing how should we import a module, how should we actually access a module, everything. Okay. So for example, here we can take a module called as random to work with. So if I want to import a module called as random, the first thing I should do is I should write an import statement, import random. So upon writing an import statement like this, whatever function which is available inside random can be accessed by me with the help of random and then a dot and then the function name which I want to actually um, code. So here if I can see random, I am going to use here for random integer I need to specify two numbers 2 comma 1 comma 5 maybe. So like this we can use any functions which is available inside this random module. So what we want to do, we want to import a module and we are going to write the module name dot and then the function or the variable whatever it is which is inside that module so that we can use them. There is another method for importing a particular module also, that is using the from. So I am going to say from random I need to import maybe random alone. So if I am saying something like this, so what will happen means we are saying from this random module I need random alone. So here I can directly use random method. Maybe I will just try to print and show you. If I am saying print random maybe 1 comma 8 and if I am running and seeing this program, it will print a random integer between 1 and 8 upon every run. So here, please note we did not write random.random, we just wrote random because random is the only function which we have imported. If you don't know like which function you need to import, you need more than one functions to be imported. There are multiple functions. Should I keep on writing like this? No. You can use a star operator. Star means everything. So that from this random module, we are importing all the objects available inside this random module. If you run the program like this, then also it will work. So that we can import all the things available inside this random module and we can use them whenever needed. If you want to import like import and then the module name alone, then you need to put the module name dot and then you need to put what you need to do. So if you feel like your module name is really big, I don't want to write that big sentence each and every time, then you can write as import random as and then write a variable name so that this variable name will represent the module which we are going to do. So here we have imported random as R, but we did not call this R anywhere. We are just trying to see whether this particular thing works because it will work for an from condition, but it will not work in import. Only if you write R dot and then this one thing, then it will be working fine. Can you see it is printing? So you can also name something like using this as function so that as keyword so that you can make everything in an easy manner. Yeah, so from function is used to specifically say what are the things you need to import. If you don't know that, then you can use a star with that. And these are the things. If we can import in three methods. The first method is import math, which is going to say you how you're going to import. Then import from star import sqrt alone, or you can say from math import star fully. So these three are the methods, and as keyword, as I said you, it is used as a variable name. Like we need to replace the big name with some small names, then you can use this as keyword. So yeah, we are going to see many modules which are available in Python moving further, so that we will come to know many things, many interesting and happy things to know with the help of modules. Yeah, so we will be learning what is turtle graphics, what is random module, what is tkinter, what is datetime module, what is math module, and what is time it module, and many more are still to come, friends. Okay, stay tuned, and this is Shravanti. Bye bye. And if you want to see me any other module which we want to include in this particular program, you can always comment me in the comments below in any program, so that I'll be very happy to cover those modules also with you. Bye bye, friends.